In this video, we'll show you how to view your text messages on a second phone. So if your SIM is in one phone, but you also want to view and respond to text messages using another phone, what you need to do is head to the Google search and then search for Messages Web. So simply type in Messages Web. Now select the first link, that is Messages for Web. Now here you will need to sign in with the same Google account that you are using on the first phone. So for instance, if I tap the profile icon, I am using this particular account. I need to sign in with the same account on the second device and then select continue. Once you do this, you should see an icon on your phone screen. In my case, it's this crown. Now on the first phone, I'll see 3 icons. I need to select the same icon that's appearing on the second phone. Now simply wait for a couple of seconds. You can enable notifications using this option. So as you can see, I am seeing the same text messages on my second phone. I can also reply to these messages or even send a new message from here. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.